Hello everyone, welcome to Crunch Sports. This is me, Somil, and the whole gang is back today. So hello everyone. How are you guys doing?
Well,
Great, great. How are you?
we're all great, man. And
You're doing great. How are you?
जो रिस्पॉन्स
Fine,
मिला है
fine,
वो
fine.
प्रोमो से
और क्या भाई, इतना
Yeah.
बड़ा रिस्पांस मिल गया, मतलब यहाँ से यहाँ चले गए. We got 1.3. Now we are at 1.3k subscribers now. So big thank you for all the viewers, and keep watching Crunch Sports for more sports related content. So today's
three
topic.
3 lakhs sorry
Yes,
3
and
lakh
three
views
three
मिले and
Yeah.
3 lakh views.
video
Okay.
मिलेगा ऊपर if you guys want to
हाँ.
watch it's India versus New Zealand, the World Test Championship final promo, so make sure you guys check it out as well. So yeah, you can continue.
Yeah, so today we'll be covering up another topic in World Test Championship final, which is coming up. So it will be combined 11 of the both sides, India and New Zealand. So it will have players from both the teams. Let's start off with the openers first. Ashwin, who are your openers? We have Rohit Sharma, Mayank Agarwal, Shubman Gill, Tom Latham, and Devon Conway. So
Devon
what's your opening combination?
Conway scored a double century in the first test against
Yes,
England.
exactly.
And talking about that, England, New Zealand का जो tour है, New Zealand is playing in England right now, so and 2 test matches, so they pretty much have an edge over India because now they at least are little familiar with the conditions, and considering this World Test Championship, it is a final. It's only a one-off test match. I think New Zealand might have a slight edge over there, and the New Zealand batting mein jo hai, I think their openers had a little problem because they don't have a Rohit Sharma there. They've got Conway, maybe I think he'll play now. They've got Latham, but no one is Rohit Sharma there. So, But now Conway has gone and scored a double century. So it's going to be interesting. But my openers are Rohit Sharma and Latham.
Anyone to challenge him over here?
Well, see, experience is experience. So I think I'll go with Rohit Sharma. And then, yeah, Ashwin told, Rohit Sharma is Rohit Sharma. There's no one, at par from him. But yeah, Conway has scored a double hundred, and they're more familiar with the conditions, no doubt about that.
Yes.
So yeah, I mean, but still, I'll go with Rohit Sharma and Tom Latham in second opener.
Okay, Rishi, what about you?
Yeah, first of all we'll go with Rohit Sharma. I mean, I'll agree to them what they have said, that Rohit Sharma is the number one opener between these two sides. So there's a reason behind that he's been the highest run scorer as an opener across all the teams who have played in the World Test Championship. And second opener, if you have to choose, I won't choose Devon Conway because he hasn't scored a single run in WTC yet. Like this test match isn't counted in WTC. So even if he has scored a double century, it doesn't count. If we are talking only about World Test Championship, so he's completely ruled out of that. So second best would be Tom Latham. So Rohit Sharma and Tom Latham would be my picks.
Okay, so Rohit Sharma. I'm going with Rohit Sharma and Tom Latham as well. मतलब भाई तुम सबने कह दिया ना कि एक्सपीरियंस मैटर करता है. एक्सपीरियंस है तो क्या नहीं हो सकता. Exactly. So yes, let's move on to the number 3 spot and the number 4 spot. We'll go quickly on this. Anyone to challenge Kane Williamson and Virat Kohli over here?
I think Indian point of view say will be Pujara will be very important because this match is in England and there is a high chance of a batting collapsing. So hopefully Pujara can hold one end. Lekin if you're talking about Williamson or Pujara, I would go with Williamson and then Kohli at 4 for me.
Rishi and Santosh?
Yeah, same opinion here also, because I mean, no disrespect to Pujara, he's a modern day Test cricket great, but then he hasn't made the big impact, like the big runs that Kane Williamson has scored. Because talking about the World Test Championship in particular here, I'll go with Kane Williamson, and at 4, Kohli he hasn't been at his best in the World Test Championship in the past 2 years, but I still put him above Ross Taylor, so I think I'll go with Kohli at 4.
Rishi, what about you?
I wouldn't go with Cheteshwar Pujara because after World Test Championship started, he has been the anchor sort of role, which we can say. He hasn't scored so many runs before the World Test Championship. He had scored 100 in England and even one in Australia. But after the World Test Championship started, he hadn't scored so many runs. And if you say Kane Williamson and Virat Kohli both have scored runs and both can anchor as well. So so they have played a better role, I would say. No disrespect to Cheteshwar Pujara, he has done brilliant when he played, but we have to take these two as they are in the Fab Four.
Yes, all right. So let's move on to the number 5th and the number 6th spot. We have Ajinkya Rahane, Ross Taylor, and Rishabh Pant. So who is going to take these spots? Let's ask the gang. So Ashwin, let's start off with you.
Both Indians. Ross Taylor is a cricket great, but Rahane has been a great. I mean, he has been a top scorer in World Test Championship, so there's no debate about that. So Rahane at 5, and then Rishabh Pant at 6.
So yeah, same opinion here also. I mean, the batting is dominated by Indians, but I think that's the only fair way to go about it. Because we have played more matches overseas. I'm not saying that results would have changed if they had played more, but that's what it is. So Rahane at after Kohli for me, the way he batted, down under, he got a century. He led the team beautifully when we were under pressure. So I think he has to be in the team. And then after that, Pant, I mean, he has his own style of Test cricket. I mean, he's branding his own style of Test cricket, so it has to go to him.
Do you think Pant will do what he did to Archer and Anderson to Saudi a Bolt?
Hey, bhai, he will not stop. He'll play his game. If he doesn't play his game, then he'll flop. So
he has
to play his game. He has to play his game. Yeah, Rishi, you can express your word.
Yes, I'll go with Rahane. Why? Because Ross Taylor hasn't played that well in World Test Championship final. I mean, World Test Championship, to be honest. If you were talking about all tests, then I would go with Ross Taylor maybe. But in World Test Championship, Rahane has been phenomenal. He's been highest run scorer for India, and I think the highest run scorer in the world. So I'll go with Rahane at number 5. And number 6, if you are talking again about all tests, then I would go with BJ Watling. But since we are talking only about World Test Championship, then I would go with Rishabh Pant. Now, why I would go with BJ Watling, I would say that he has better experience and he has played more matches as well. And see, we cannot compare them for runs because BJ Watling, he plays for New Zealand, and New Zealand has a good batting lineup. So he never got many chances to bat, unlike Rishabh Pant. So Rishabh Pant has played, but he has played only in World Test Championship so far. So he's been phenomenal in World Test Championship. So Rahane and Rishabh Pant will be the combination.
So you said that New Zealand has a good batting.
Batting? See, like India generally.
Controversial.
India generally bats deep. I didn't mean that, see, what happens is when New Zealand plays in their home conditions, they do not require such big runs. When you play in India, you need at least 500 runs. So Rishabh Pant also gets to bat. But then in New Zealand, you require only like 300, 400 runs. You can put off the opposition to bat once you're done with so many runs. And scoring 200 and 300 runs isn't, difficult for their top order batsmen. Tomorrow, if India also has those conditions, India will also, go with the similar batting lineup.
And
so
also
basically,
New Zealand bowling hai.
Yeah, right.
Exactly.
Yeah. बेसिकली ये है कि इंडिया वाले सबको बैटिंग देते हैं और न्यूजीलैंड वाले सबको बैटिंग नहीं देते.
Yeah, it's because of the conditions basically.
विलियमसन खड़ा हो जाता है ना उधर.
हाँ, खड़ा हो जाता है वो. नहीं तू तेरे को बैटिंग में दूंगा, तू कोई टेंशन मत ले.
One more thing about Rahane is that he has done better, or he has scored more runs for India when he's playing abroad. Overseas condition mein he has scored more than what he has done in India. And
exactly.
Watling and Rishabh Pant, if you see, according to me, Pant has that X factor. He can change the game and has more impact. So, right, we can go on. with the next position.
All right, so it's a Southampton pitch that they'll be playing on, and compared to all the other English pitches, it spins a little bit. So are we going to see two spinners or not? Let's find out. Ashwin, are you going to put two spinners in your team?
No, I think it was a surprise. It wasn't a surprise, but we all agreed with the batting.
Yeah.
Ki same hai, lekin I think going with the bowling, we'll all have different opinions. But
Exactly.
I would go with one spinner. It's still England after all. It's not India where it's not an Ahmedabad stadium where or pitch where it'll spin, or it's not Chennai. So England mein I would still go with one spinner. So I would go with Ravichandran Ashwin as our spinner, and unfortunately Jadeja misses out for me.
Yeah, I mean we have to दिल पे पत्थर रख के जडेजा को थोड़ा बोलना पड़ेगा, भाई खेलने दे अभी उसको. चलो ठीक है. Santosh, what do you think? Who should play? Are you keeping two spinners or not?
No, I'm giving one spinner only. See, after all, it is as Ashwin told. I mean, we can expect players to search for the pitch. So I mean, so I think I'll go with Ashwin. He did a beautiful job in the last tour of England. The way he got cooked out was beautiful. We can see it again and again how many times we want to. So I think I'll go with Ashwin. And Jadeja, I mean, he was injured for most part of the World Test Championship, which is unfortunate. So we can't really, fit him into this. So yeah, it's Ashwin for me.
So Rishi, who are you going with?
At number 7, I'll go with Jadeja, and number 8, I'll go with Ashwin. So I'll keep two spinners. Okay. The reason is because even if they would have played Lords or at Southampton in the recently concluded match, which was the first match of New Zealand and England, we saw some spin in Lords as well. So though England and New Zealand did not have good spinners, maybe New Zealand had Santner, but England didn't have any spinners, so they couldn't capitalize on it. But we saw some spin from Root. So expecting that, I can go with Jadeja and Ashwin, and Jadeja will give me some batting as well. Because if you see India can bat only up to number 6 position. So I mean, those conditions wouldn't require so much batting, but if India collapses, then what will happen? Then Rishabh Pant is not going to keep quiet. He'll take his he'll go with his game only. So you need somebody.
New Zealand में अभी कोई गंजा वो भी नहीं है ना, स्पिनर भी नहीं है, तो थोड़ा सा इंडिया का हाथ टाइट है इसमें.
Exactly. So Jadeja will play that anchor role when Rishabh Pant will be punishing others from other side. Doesn't matter what condition is. If India is at 80 for 7 or India is 80 for 280 for 5, he'll go same way. He doesn't.
वरना कुछ नहीं हुआ, वही कुछ नहीं हुआ तो सैंटनर को गंजा कर देंगे हम. हाँ.
Exactly. So coming to the point that I'll go with two spinners, looking at their spinning abilities and their batting abilities as well.
And I think
not to forget Ashwin's 100 recently as well. It came in India, but it did come in under good
under pressure.
Under pressure, and he showed some responsibility as well.
Yeah, exactly. So let's move on to the fast bowlers now. We have 4 slots for Ashwin, 4 for Santosh, and 3 for Rishi left. Let's find out who their fast bowlers will be. Ashwin, starting off with you.
Abhi, what Rishi told that Jadeja will give us that batting. लेकिन वो इंडिया में मैं looking into this as a combined 11, instead of Jadeja, I would put Jamieson at 8. No, Jamieson at 7 and then Ashwin at 8. And then my fast bowlers, it's going to be hard. Saudi has been doing fantastic. I've got to use the stats here. Ashwin has been the 3rd highest wicket taker across World Test Championship. So Ashwin will be there definitely. And then abhi fast bowlers mein, if you see, you've got Tim Saudi. In 10 test matches, he has taken 51 wickets. You've got Jamieson, who's got 36 wickets in just 6 test matches. Ishant Sharma is also there, 11 matches mein 36 wickets. You've got Shami, 10 matches mein 36 wickets. You've got Bumrah, 9 matches, 34 wickets. You've got Bolt, same 9 matches, 34 wickets. And then you've got Neil Wagner, who's picked 32 wickets in just 7 test matches. So it's going to be hard for India is what I'm going to say, because the fast bowlers New Zealand have is fantastic, and at least in the top 20, unke all fast bowlers are there. But I have 4 slots, right? So I'm going with Jamieson, and then I'm going with Saudi, I'm going with Trent Bolt, and then I'm going with Jasprit Bumrah.
So there are 3 New Zealand fast bowlers. मतलब इंडियन bowlers को कम आंक रहा है भाई तू. ठीक है देख लेंगे हम.
I'm comparing. Now you're comparing Bolt with Shami. I like Bolt more. So yeah, I think India ने dominate किया batting, but I think New Zealand will be the batting bowling.
वो तो फाइनल में पता ही चल जाएगा. संतोष.
Hopefully I'm wrong.
Yeah, hopefully.
Your predictions have been wrong in the past, so we'll count on that. Santosh, let's go on with you.
So after Ashwin, to give us some batting, I'll go with the bowling all-rounder. I'll go with Jamieson. The height, he's got the X factor to be on point. He can give us a swing also. So I mean, he should be there, and I think he'll be in my team. And then after that, Tim Southee, as Ashwin told, the stats prove what kind of damage is done to the opposition in this World Test Championship. So I think he has to be there. But next, if you ask me, Bolt or Shami, I'll back Shami here. I mean, because I think he's got that 2 or 3 kilometers per hour extra pace than Bolt. So I think that will help him in the English conditions. He can swing the ball as well. I mean, Bolt is a specialist in swing, but then I think Shami will get an edge past Bolt in this World Test Championship final. So I'll go with Shami there, and then Bumrah. He'll be my last player. Class is permanent, so Bumrah is in my team. That's my bowlers.
Rishi, what about you?
I already told my spot that I'm taking 2 spinners. Okay, I have a question to all of you about this.
The rest. Okay, fine, go ahead.
I'll tell you about that. But then in this test match, which England and New Zealand are playing, New Zealand has gone with 2 spinners. So do you think that they'll go with the same strategy in the World Test Championship final? They've gone with Daryl Mitchell and Ajaz Patel. Yeah, considering that, they have gone with 2 spinners. They say that Ajaz Patel is their best spinner. But even if the World Test Championship final comes, they'll replace him with Mitchell Santner. But do you think that they'll go with 2 spinners?
It can be, considering Southampton, spins. So they can go with it. If they have Santner back, they might as well go ahead with it.
Maybe.
But India plays better spin.
That's exactly my point. That's why I don't think New Zealand will.
So they might not go ahead with it also.
See, there might be 2 reasons. One might be what Ashwin told. India are better players to spin than any country in the world. So there may be one reason. The other one, it might be to reduce Bolt's workload, because he had an injury. So I think, he needs game practice, so they are bottom into the match. But then to reduce the workload, they would have got Ajaz Patel in. I'm just guessing. It's not what it has to be. But that could be a possibility. So, and then another reason could be that previous match they might have misjudged the pitch where it spun a bit, as you told. So that might be a consequence of that. But they'll have to look at the pitch in Southampton and then assess according to that. So I think there's a less chance of them going with 2 spinners.
But I think it'll be good for India if they go with 2 spinners. Because unke khatarnak bowlers are their fast bowlers, whether it's Wagner, whether it's Southee, Bolt, Jamieson, Jovian.
And Wagner is playing. Wagner has played 2 matches. Like he's played the last match and played this match as well. So in span of 15 to 20 days, he's going to play 3 test matches. So and he's been kind of ineffective in the first game, and as of now also he has been ineffective, because in this game there's complete pressure on him because all the other bowlers are rested. So maybe because of overload, maybe he might be ineffective in the final as well. What do you think?
Yes.
Yeah,
he's a very aggressive bowler. Just bhag ke aata hai ki dar jata hai.
But then in the final, the stakes are high, so I think they'll back Wagner and go with him.
Yeah. So Rishi, who are the other 3?
Yeah.
Who are the other 3 spots in your team?
I'll tell together or I'll tell by one?
Yeah, tell together if you want.
Okay, then I'll go 3 fast bowlers. They are Kyle Jamieson, then Trent Bolt and Jasprit Bumrah.
Okay.
Now, so exactly. So 3 fast bowlers I'll go, because see, England, and then you need 3 fast bowlers. It's not like it's in India.
Exactly.
If it was India, then we could have included Akshar Patel because of what his performance has been. He has played less matches, but then the performance that he has showed is kind of impressive. I mean, not impressive. We should say that it's brilliant. So coming to England, then you have to go with three bowlers. Why I would go with Kyle Jamieson and Bolt is that they are proper swing, and Kyle Jamieson has that pace as well. And Bumrah, we do not have to justify why we are taking him in the team. He's always have to be. If he's fit, he has to be in the team.
Yes.
But I think if Bhuvaneshwar was there, I don't think he would have cut into this World Test Championship because he hasn't played that many Test matches. But if we had Bhuvi in the finals, then I think it would have been.
We would have then I would have kept out Kyle Jamieson instead of Kyle Jamieson. But then you see, what comes into this is that if we are considering the records of the whole World Test Championship, then we have to keep out Bhuvneshwar Kumar.
Exactly. He hasn't played.
Because Bhuvneshwar Kumar hasn't played even one match in World Test Championship. He had played in the 2018 series, I guess, in England. So that was not in the WTC. So if he had played in complete WTC, at least maybe 5 or 6 matches and got some wickets, then we would have considered him. Right.
Well, to wrap up, who should be the captain of this side? Is it Williamson or is it Virat or maybe Rahane? Controversial.
Okay, let's make Rishabh Pant captain, bro. No, I mean it has to be Virat Kohli considering his past record in the Test matches. So Virat Kohli is my captain for all the 3 formats.
Kohli is my captain for this side as well.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go against. I might get hate for this, but I'm not going with Williamson or not going with Kohli. I'll go with Rahane because he's, I think, the only captain in this team to go overseas and win a Test series. I'm not sure if Kane Williamson won one, but then to go to Australia with 3/4
and he hasn't lost a match also.
Yeah, that also you can say. So I'll go with Rahane just because of that Australian series win. Kohli, he's a great captain, but in this World Test Championship, I'll go with Rahane.
All right.
Rohit Sharma,
Rishi, yeah.
No, not Rohit Sharma. इतना भी प्यार नहीं रोहित शर्मा के लिए. मतलब yes.
नहीं, वो ODI में आएगा. वो ODI में
talking about ODIs and T20s, I would have completely agreed with what you said.
ये सारे Rohit Sharma fans अभी बोलेंगे.
But then here I would agree with what Santosh said, that only for World Test Championship we would go with Ajinkya Rahane. Now the reason also, he has only said that he won the World Test Championship. the Australian tour. Only with some India, what those people said, what Michael Vaughan and what Kevin Peterson said, that India C team, not even India A, India B, India C team. So I would say that Ajinkya Rahane won the Australia series with India C team, and you cannot take that credit out of him. Virat Kohli has won some series, but that is, I think, only in India. And if you are talking about all tests, then yes, we would consider Virat Kohli, but then World Test Championship, then only Rahane is my option.
So basically Virat Kohli की पनौती हटाने के लिए they have taken Ajinkya Rahane to be the captain.
अब हम लोग को पता है ना कि Virat Kohli is going to be the captain in World Test Championship.
Yes.
So
we can give it
a try. Yes.
We can give it a try. मतलब, what is your take?
What is my take? I am taking Kyle Jamieson, and I'll take 2 Indian fast bowlers and 2 New Zealand fast bowlers. Kyle Jamieson, Trent Bolt, and यहाँ से Jasprit Bumrah and Ishant Sharma, if he's fit.
Right. So yes, let's wrap up the show. I hope you guys like the video. So like the video if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Instagram and on Twitter. Links are down in the description box. And
and comment your 11s.
Yeah, comment your 11s. That's very important. Comment your
and help us grow too. And help us grow as well.
We actually read every comment. So it'll be lovely if you guys drop your thoughts. And you can also let us know down in the comments what videos you want us to make. The topics also. So we'll definitely have a look at that as well. So right, keep sharing the video and subscribe to the channel, do all that good stuff, and we'll meet you all in the next one very soon with our preview as well for this World Test Championship final. So thanks for watching, and we'll speak to you all soon.
And subscribe कर देना यार.
Free है भाई.
Subscribe. Yeah, I think only 98% have not subscribed. So only around 2%
दिल से
are
बुरा
subscribed.
दिल से बुरा लगता है.
दिल से
हाँ,
बुरा
दिल से
लगता
बुरा
है
लगता
भाई.
है.
So subscribe as well, and thanks for watching.